What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Black Market doing a review tonight. Doing a Wednesday night review for the week. Just wanted to go back over the overall markets and then talk about a few stocks I got my eye on for tomorrow. So we're looking at the ES. So you can see here, the ES is back above that 21 EMA. So it's gained some strength here in the past couple days, and you can see kind of went down and kissed that 21 EMA, and now it's working back towards all-time highs on some decent volume here. The SPY was kind of weak today. It was open pretty much in no man's land, so it pretty much went back and forth on the day, but SPY is definitely stronger than what it was, and it's back above that 21 EMA as well. And then once again, the Qs tech sector is kind of the lagger, right? It's been the weakest, and it's been showing us as of late kind of what the possibilities are to the downside. That 21, or that the tech sector is still below that 21, so it's still showing a bit of weakness. And then last but not least, we got the VIX. The VIX is back underneath that 21 EMA, so it's headed back down towards the support level, but it's showing a bit of weakness being below that 21. So that's what we like to see, right? When we're wanting the market to move forward. So if we look at the sectors, so we've got the tech sector, right? We got semiconductors. Definitely still the weakest sectors, right? They're still below that 21. You can see today, if I just hover over the tech sector there, you can see money still flowing into finance, right? To the far right there. Money flew into XOP, energy, utilities, materials, and last but not least, industrials, and then some money flew into real estate as well. So what I'm looking at mainly, since money flowed into some of these sectors, I don't necessarily look at utilities, but I am going to look at some stocks in the utility sector, and I am going to look at some stocks in the finance sector, since the finance sector is the strongest, right, out of those larger sectors. So if we look at a couple stocks I kind of got my eye on here. The first one is NE, NextEra Energy. They're in the utilities sector here. So if we look at NE, right, it's in a squeeze. It's in a decent squeeze. It's been squeezing for a bit, and this is on the hourly chart. I still want to trade in that hourly time range, because I'm not looking to hold anything overnight or do any lengthy swing trades. Sorry about that. So I'm looking to still trade in that hourly time frame. You can see we got a nice tight squeeze on those Bollinger Bands. So I'll definitely be looking at this stock for a potential breakout tomorrow. The second one I've got is Southern. Southern's in the same sector as NE. This is in a squeeze, and what I really like about this squeeze is you can see that we've had some buying pressure, right? Because we've got those light yellow bars in the squeeze, and it's above that 5 and 10 MA, kind of in those Bollinger Bands. So I like to see that. And then the last one I want to look at is Xcel Energy. So Xcel Energy is another one I want to look at, and you can see here, definitely in a tight squeeze. Seems to have a bit of selling pressure, kind of in that last bar right there, but it's really holding that midpoint of that Bollinger Band pretty good. And once again, it's in a nice tight squeeze. And like I said, I'm pretty bullish on these stocks. Definitely because energy and utility sector is up. Money's flowing into those sectors. So, and then the last one I want to look at is AXP. Oops. So we got a little American Express. Um, Once again, this is probably the cleanest one out of the group. Um, Squeezing right, getting pretty tight there, and we can see it's been steadily a steady increase of buying pressure. It's sitting above that midpoint in the Bollinger Band, and it's above the 5 MA and those lines on that Bollinger Band on the top is kind of pointing up. That bottom Bollinger Band is kind of flattening out, and then we've got some upward momentum in that midpoint as well. So that's another stock I'll have my eyes on tomorrow for a potential move up. So that's kind of a quick review of the market and of 4 stocks I'm looking at tomorrow to possibly buy some positions in. So if you got any questions or comments, you know what to do. Hit your boy up. Smash that like button, subscribe. Talk with you guys later. Have a good trading day tomorrow. Bye.